Hello everyone, welcome back to Naina Tech. In today's video, I will show you how to create a destination from BTP to S4HANA system. Prerequisite to create the destination is Cloud Connector should be connected. Cloud Connector is configured with the BTP sub account, and S4HANA system is mapped in the Cloud Connector. And we'll go to the sub account. This is a overview, and I will go to destination. So before creating a destination, I have to identify the API service from S4HANA system. I will log into the S4HANA system. Transaction code is /n/iwfnd /mind underscore service. Okay, these are the service catalogs. So if I want to create a destination for the API for purchase order, okay, I will find out the catalog service. This is the service purchase order process SRB. OData is configured, system alias is configured. And response time is successful. So I have to copy the URL. This is the URL for the API. And I have to change the actual virtual name to actual host name to the virtual name which is configured in the Cloud Connector. That is S4HANA and host name. Domain name. SAP S4HANA. SAP S4HANA dot and port number is 4300. Copy the URL and we'll go to the destination. Click on create from scratch. Here name of the destination. Authentication. Proxy type on-premise, and in URL we have to paste the URL which we copied. Click on create. Destination is created now. We'll check the connection. Yes, check connection is successful. Yeah, that's it guys. So we have created the destination from BTP to S4HANA. If you like the video, hit like and share and subscribe to 9 Attack. Thank you for watching 9 Attack.